This is the Wake and Bake Podcast. I'm Philly Phil. This is episode 292. The time is 9:53, and it's Thirsty Thursday. Thong Thursday. Ladies, take them booty pics. It's Thong Thursday. Show off them thongs. Show me what you're working with. It's Thirsty Thursday and it's a gin day. Show me what you're working with. Show me all that ass your mama made. All that ass your mama gave you. This morning's Wake and Bake is sponsored by Aldi's. This morning's Wake and Bake is brought to you by Aldi. Workout! Today's workout is legs. It's a leg day. Do the squats. Hop on the treadmill, the bicycle, the Stairmaster. Everything legs, 'cause it's leg day. This morning's workout is legs and cardio. Did you lift today? Comedy! The comedy scene tonight. We have St. Clair Social. St. Clair Social, Act 8. Antonio's Pizzeria at 7. Tonight's mic list in order. Antonio's Pizzeria at 7. St. Clair Social at 8. I'm always at St. Clair Social. You can catch me at the social. Stock news. The Dow is green. The market ended in the green yesterday. Apple is green at $194 a share. Gold is green at $15 a share. Gold did not jump up that 1 penny to make it 16. It dropped like 30 fucking cents. And it's still at $15 a share. Nike's in the red at $100 a share. Their shoes cost more than $100. Amazon is green at $156. Tesla's in the green at $207. And the weed is rolled. The weather today is gonna be a high of 56. The low for today is gonna be a low of 52. Expect rain showers throughout the day. Don't forget your umbrella, rain boots, rain jacket. Don't forget the rain gear. You're gonna get wet. Today's news headlines. Today's top stories. You see here? Looky here, brother. The top story, that's the story that's on top. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. A man was killed after getting hit by a car in the Strip District. Man was killed after hit by a vehicle in the Strip District. Another man is accused of assaulting two medics in Pittsburgh. A man is accused of assaulting two medics. One man has died after his car goes over the hillside. A man dies after a car drives over hillside. Three students lure a girl with disabilities from a Pittsburgh school into a Starbucks bathroom and sexually assault her. Three students sexually assault. Three students sexually assault a woman with disabilities. A school student with disabilities. School student with disabilities was sexually assaulted in a Starbucks bathroom. A high-speed chase leads to a female suspect found hiding in a refrigerator in the woods. High-speed chase leads to a foot chase, which leads to a female suspect hiding in a refrigerator. A water main break closes Route 88 in Bethel Park. Bethel Park Route 88 has been closed due to water main break. Two people arrested after shooting at a 17-year-old boy. Two people shot at a 17-year-old boy and was apprehended. Last hits. Last thoughts. A man was hit and killed by a car in the Strip District. Don't walk in places that start with an S. The Strip District got hit by a car. The South Side, a nigga got hit by a car. Don't walk in Squirrel Hills. You're going to get hit by a car. Avoid S areas today. A man accused of assaulting two medics in Pittsburgh. It's probably crazy. Schizophrenic. Why y'all niggas putting needles in my arms? A man drove his car over a hillside. Bad these hillsides. Put guardrails and trampolines at the bottom. And trampolines and pillows and teddy bears so he could land safely. 3 students lured a girl with disabilities. Like back in my day, you got a little from the disability girls. They were an easy target. You're a big fish in a pond, you pick off a couple guppies here and there. Back in my day, there was nothing wrong with getting a little, you know what I'm saying, smell my finger off the bitch who drools in the back of the class. That's all I'm saying. Was it right? Hey, I'm not saying if it was right or wrong. I'm saying back in my day. She had a helmet and she was wearing one of them football helmets and had a little drool from her mouth. She was fair game. Equal rights, equal fights, bitch. High-speed chase leads to a female suspect found hiding in the refrigerator. It's like, nigga, there's nothing but woods here, and there's nothing but woods in the refrigerator. You think I'm not gonna check the refrigerator? That bitch watching too many movies. Thought she was 007, James Bond. That bitch had 5 stars. Had it in the refrigerator. Did not make your wanted level go down. A water main break on Route 88. Reroute if necessary. Reroute around 88. 2 arrested after shooting at a 17-year-old boy. And that's it. The weed is out. My lungs are clear. Refreshing. Man killed after getting hit by a car in the Strip District. The car hit him for what he's worth and then made the nigga strip. Yeah, take it all off. Man accused of assaulting 2 medics. Medic! Medic! My leg! Man dies after a car goes over a hillside, but I'm the reason why his hill slide. I cut the brakes, made a nigga crash. I did the hit for Sosa. Call me Tony Montana. 3 students lured a girl with disabilities. My nigga say less. I'ma meet that nigga outside the Payless. High-speed chase leads to a female suspect with some white bitch hiding in a refrigerator. They said, bitch, get your ass out that refrigerator. Water main break. Your main man broken in Bethel Park. Put the car in park. Two arrested after shooting at a 17-year-old. They ain't trying to let the nigga reach 18. That's what you call hating. This is the Wake and Bake Podcast. I'm Philly Phil. This is episode 292.